How does a logical and operator work with integers? So, I was playing with the interpreter, and typed in the following. Initially I thought that it has to do with false and true values, because but that doesn't seem related, because false is always 0, and it seems from the trials above that it isn't the biggest value that is being outputted. I can't see the pattern here honestly, and couldn't find anything in the documentation. Honestly, I didn't really know how to effectively look for it. So, how does work in Python?
From the Python documentation. The expression, x and y, first evaluates x. If x is false, its value is returned, otherwise, y is evaluated and the resulting value is returned. Which is exactly what your experiment shows happening. All of your x values are true, so the y value is returned. This URL.
It's for every item in Python. It's not dependent on the integer. One is true, so it will return 2.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.